Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions. Check your network connection and toggle Wi-Fi or cellular off and on. Disable VPN or proxy to rule out routing. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that the contact uses the same service. Once done, force close the app and restart your device. That often refreshes sockets. If delivery still fails, clear the app cache or temporary data, since corrupted cache commonly blocks outgoing messages. Now dig into the middle steps. Inspect app permissions and ensure background data, notifications, and storage access are granted. Missing permissions can halt sends. Check message status indicators and any error codes or timestamps. Open the app sync or delivery logs if available to identify server rejections. Then reproduce the problem. Send to another contact, use a different device, or log in via web client. This isolates whether the issue is device, account, or network related. Finish by applying definitive fixes and validating delivery. Update or reinstall the app to replace broken binaries and confirm the messaging service isn't experiencing an outage. If network misconfiguration persists, forget the Wi-Fi network, renew DHCP lease, or reset APN/mobile data settings to refresh routing. Once messages send, make sure notifications and background sync remain enabled. If problems continue, collect logs, screenshots, timestamps, and error codes, then escalate to support. Having those details speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.